Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my that's supposed to be like my stripper nails. Hi. So I asked you guys on Instagram what you would prefer to see, and it was between encapsulated nails or stripper nails, and majority of the people was very close, but 56% said stripper nails, which means rhinestones all over the nails. These are what we came up with. When girl got her nails done, and she can't stop using her fingers. So yeah, so these are the nails that we came up with. These are my stripper nails. If you want to see how I achieved this nail look, this nail slay, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Like this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Y'all, I don't know what the okay, let's get right into the video. Remember to bloom because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, let's hop right into it. I've already did one hand just to see kind of how I wanted it to look. So now I'm going to start by filing down all of my nails just to get that oil out of the nail, and that'll actually help the nails stay longer. So now I'm grabbing some nail glue, and this time I'm using some tips to help me with the shape. This makes it just go a lot faster. I don't have to sit there and shape the poly gel. That's the only reason why I'm using the tips. So I just put it on there and I'll hold it for a few seconds, and you want to make sure that all of that glue underneath there is down so that none of your nails pop off. That's not cute, sis. That's not cute. So once we get all of the nails down, I'm going to go ahead and cut them a little bit shorter. Usually the stripper nails are as long as they were, but I have to go to work, sis, and I gotta go to work. Like, I'm not, who's typing like that? Granted, I can have my nails as long as I want to at work. I just have to type. Like, I have to type. So right now I'm just shaping my nail. Now this just makes it so much easier. This part just literally took me like, I'll say 20 minutes, because I still move a little bit slow when I'm doing my nails. So I'm taking the base gel and I'm putting that all over the my nails and the tips, of course. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in that UV light, and I do that twice. And then I'm just putting that poly gel on there. I'm using two different color poly gels. In my head I was going to create a different color, but just so you know, whatever you lay on top, it will be the color of the nail. Just so you know. I love poly gel. I am going to get me some, like, a real acrylic set just to, like, make sure I practice that and practice that forming. But I'm sorry, poly gel is just everything. So after I've set that poly gel, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to start placing those jewels. Now I'm a little bit about it because I was supposed to get jewels from China. I mean, excuse me, from eBay, and I ordered them from China by mistake, and then, like, this is what we had, and that's all I had, and I told you guys that I would be doing this look. So I was like, you know what, let me just use what I have. So this is what we got. I'm sorry about the lighting, it's going in and out. I'm not sure why. It was like really bright before and then it gets bright again. My apologies. So literally all I'm doing is just placing. It's just super easy. You pick up one, you place it where the glue was, and just keep it moving. It's super simple. And now I'm doing the last finger, just the pinky, which is like 3 little jewels on the end of that. I didn't want the pinky to be too much. Like, one of the nails has to show the actual technique, right? So I'm going in with the top it off, which is the top coat for that gel, and I'm just putting it over the jewels and over the nail. And then you're just gonna let that sit. Let that set. And these are the nails, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I love them. I'm so excited. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.